How to buy NOTMEME Asian token. So this token came under the symbol of NOTMEME. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now this token is available on Mexc, but before going on buy this token, what you need to do, just make sure to keep following the updates on the Mexc account. So first of all, what you need to do, just go and open your Mexc account like that. Now if you don't have an account in Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in Mexc to benefit from rewards. Now after that, click in the search bar and now you can type NOTMEME like that. Now after that, click on this pair that have USDT. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now you need to wait 2 hours from now to be able to buy this token. So after this 2 hours, what you need to do, now you can type here how much you want to buy using the USDT on your account, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive of that token. So as you can see, you will be able to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on your account, and now you can here click on buy NOTMEME in about a few seconds. And a few a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your account. So this is easy and simple, and this is how to buy NOTMEME token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.